Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on Raid Shadow Legends. So, all you need to do first of all is just go and download Raid Shadow Legend if you don't have it on your phone. Of course, you can do that through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then all you need to do, just go and open the game and of course log in into your account. So let's say an example, you don't have any account, you're new at the game, you just downloaded it. So all you need to do, just go and click at start a new game, and of course you'll need to finish the tutorial first of all. Then make sure to connect your account to a Plarium account or to a Facebook account so you don't get your data lost. And of course, when you do all of that, if you want to play like the Raid Shadow Legend at a PC, at your PC, of course, like me here, you'll find a video on this channel and other tutorials on this Raid Shadow Legends on this channel. So just go make sure to check it out. So let me just go here and open the Raid Shadow Legend game, as you should of course if you want to follow the tutorial steps, or as you already did. So of course you may be wondering why the game opens so fast. I had it already opened, so don't panic or anything. So as you can see, this will actually be your home or your main screen on the game. And of course, as we said, if you want to delete your account, you have the option of deleting your account in the game. You can just go and click at your icon at the top left corner, just go and click on that, and from here make sure to click at the option of info. No, sorry, not option, do not click here, click at this info, which is the third like option. It's an option, but it's not the options here, so just go and click at info. So as you can see from here, you have the option of deleting your account. So of course, when you click on that, tell us why you're deleting your account. So of course, if you want to tell them, you can just go and tell them what you want to delete your account. But if you don't want to, just go and click at others, or I just want to delete my account then simply click at continue. For me, of course, I don't want to click to delete my accounts. For me, I'm just gonna click cancel, but for you, just choose whatever you want and click as continue, and you will be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching it. Goodbye.